So, hello everyone. Today we're going to use the Evelyn kit in Roblox Bad Words. And remember, I'm not even using the Evelyn kit still, but yeah. Today I'm going to use the Evelyn kit, but I don't actually keep it. I only can use it for 2 days now. Hold on. It is taking so long. After 5 million years later, and then I finally joined. Yeah, I changed my avatar today, so yeah. I got the Battle Pass level 30 emote, so that's pretty cool. And also, I'm very close to Fortuna kits. I'm not literally using the Evelyn kits, but I'm using it quick. But I could only use it for 2 days now. So to this actually work, I'm gonna play some one stick 1v1 game mode. It's because the Evelyn kit is very good with in the 1v1 game mode, and the Evelyn kit is very OP as well. So let's go. I just want to click on the block hunt, but this is annoying, dude. I can't even play a game mode. Like, oh my gosh, they're like, by the way, you need an Oscar. Please fix this game. Like, oh my gosh, I'm finally playing Win Streak 1v1 game mode. I've never played this game mode before. I mean, yes, I've already played it, but that was in videos. But hold on, final time to go. So we're going into a guess of Gumpy. Oh, that is a pretty interesting kit for only ones. And I mean, Gumpy's free for this week, but only for level 20 players. But I'm not using the Gumpy kit. I'm using the Evelyn kit right now. And this kit is pretty OP. Like, look at this strip. This strip is so cool. Like, I love this strip. Look at my MO, guys. Dude, I'm gonna be toxic to him and just gonna be emoting on him. So the best combination with the Evelyn kit is obviously the dagger, right? Yeah, obviously the dagger is always the dagger. And just get armor as well. That is the best combination as well. And if you already have like diamond armor, those kind of stuff, in like 1 minute, just kidding. No one can get diamond armor in like 1 minute or team gen. It would be insane. Like, okay, this guy is tryharding. Okay. I have no blocks left, so he's not even by. Oh, never mind. He's going to middle. This kid is pretty interesting. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh no, he has a strong one. Okay, this might be a hard fight, guys. But we're doing the fight. I accepted the fight. I'm accepting. I'm dead over here. I'm dead. I'm running. Okay, so see, this kid can make me run and escape. And I died to the Gumpy. Oh my god. Oop kit. Oop kit. Okay, we gotta get armor this time, bro. I'm not letting that slide anymore, bro. I'm upgrading HP and get him right now. Dude, you'll regret doing that, dude. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna fight him right now. I'm gonna try to cast bet. Okay, guys, this is pretty hard. So this guy's using Gumpy kit, and I'm using the Evelyn kit, and he has armor. Okay, we have to get the bet. This is scary because he has armor, and I have the snow wood thingy. Okay, I gotta click faster than him. Player soul. Go! Yes! Oh my god, I'm letting him get free hits. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. I'm gonna need this emerald. Yes, sir. Thank you for letting me go. Oh my god, he has a bird on his top? Oh, never mind. That's this little sword. Glowing thingy. I'm gonna heal a little bit, then I can deal with him. I wanna deal with you. I can deal with you. Player soul! And kill attack him. Yeah, I'm dead over here. I'm dead. I actually somehow managed to kill him. I don't know how to kill him, but I am super low HP, so I'm gonna get upgrade armor. He did so much damage over there. I think I'm gonna upgrade armor these twice. And dagger. There we go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna rush him. I'm ready to rush him. Okay. Ready for another 1v1, buddy? I got better at the game now. I bought armor. So whatever, I'm gonna emote on him. LOL! LOL, I'm emoting right in front of you. You're mad, huh? How does he actually do so much damage? Ow! Ow! Kill him! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! No, you see, this kid is actually very OP. I'm actually pretty low, so I'm gonna heal a little bit and fight him. Okay, let's cut in the fight. Okay. We're full HP now. Let's go. Let's fight him again. Play him again. Oh no, he's attacking me more. He's hitting me more. Oh no, I gotta heal a little bit. I'm actually low. I'm running. I'm running. No, no. This is so much almost. I'm running. I needed to get like a diamond dagger for this. Like I need to go to get a diamond dagger. I'm running for the rest of my life. I'm never gonna fight him ever again. Oh my gosh. He does so much damage. He always chases me. No, he's hitting me more. You know I'm so mad at him. Oh my gosh. Get my bed. I don't need a bed anyways. I can get your bed instead. We're gonna get fully healed and fight him. There we go. Fight. Deal. Player so and attack him. Free damage. There we go. And now he's dead. You're dead. Okay, this is perfect. We can get a diamond dagger, so let's go get the diamond dagger. Yeah, let's get the diamond dagger, guys. I'm so excited. Let's get the diamond dagger. But first, let's upgrade our dagger more and get a diamond dagger. I bet I can beat him with like. Ooh, yes, sir. Also, I'm an armor. Now this is gonna be an easy fight, guys. I think this is the longest fight I've ever done like in a game. And he's dead already. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. How did he knock me in the void? Oh, I couldn't even play your soul. Oh my god. No, I'm player souling. I am rage quitting right now. Oh my god. You're gonna regret doing that. Give my emeralds back. Give my emeralds back to get my diamond dagger. What was that? You just got like flung away. What was that? What was even that? This guy doesn't know how to use the gun PK. Okay, I can deal with you. Easy, bro. Finally. Okay, let's put. I got 0 XP. This guy needs an Oscar, bro. Let's go another game. I don't know why I got no XP over there, but I got the most kills. Oh my gosh. I was the most top over here, guys. I got 6 kills, this much damage, and 1 block. Okay, let's go. Come on, bro. Please go, dude. Oh, is this a tanker? A bacon tanker fan. He's a barbarian. Oh, that's a pretty interesting kit. Honestly, guys, I think barbarian kit is a pretty OP kit. But I'm emoting on him, dude. No. Dude, I'm emoting, huh? The barbarian kit is a pretty interesting kit for 1v1s. But I'm not going to use the dagger now. I'm going to use the hammer because barbarian users can get, like, stone sword and just combo me like crazy. So I'm going to get a hammer. And I don't know why my game is so buggy right now. In this game, I need to stop clicking. Just holding the sword, dude. Oh, that was pretty close to a volcanic roll. Imagine I get volcanic roll first try. Imagine, that would be insane, dude. I wish I could get, like, volcanic roll. The best part about Baron, you can't even buy stone sword, but you can, every time when you kill them, you get, like, a better sword. So that's the most interesting part. And I don't know why my thing got glitched over there. This is a different map now. Okay, it's not the same map, but this is my favorite map in 1v1. This is my favorite map in all of them, so this is why, because the boat is so cool, it's not that bad. And he has armor. Okay, guys, this is bad. He might rush me really fast, so I'm going to build up right here, and he can't get me. What? I thank you, I guess. You just fall in the void. I'm going to get a pearl and get his bed and then go. Oh, never mind. I'm going to my base. I'm going back to my base, and I'm running. Guys, that hammer's scary. Okay. I'm gonna save my emeralds. I gotta go fast and get armor. No, get away from my bed. Oh, yes, sir. How? How did he do it? No. He's taking a long time. Didn't have enough time, buddy. Oh my gosh, you're kidding me, bro. I'm scared if he gets like a stone sword or something. He has a stone sword! You're kidding me, bro. I'm dead. Get away! Oh. Yeah, guys, I'm very bad at this game, guys. Just call him an L. Oh, I said meeting this. Yeah. Finally, dude. Oh my gosh. Get away, bro. Get away from my base. I'm getting this. Dude, I'm so sad right now, dude. I can't believe this. Okay, we're gonna get diamonds right now, very quick. I'm gonna click into blocks very fast. And I buy armor bonus. I'm done with this guy. This guy's cheating. Should I get sharpness or armor bonus? Okay, guys. Team generated armor bonus. You know what? I'm gonna get damage. There we go. And I'm gonna get armor bonus. I'm dead over here, guys. I'm getting armor bonus, and because if I don't get armor bonus, I'm dead over here, guys. I thought he got like armor for a second, but he didn't even notice I had this. Surely he doesn't know I have this. How does he do so much damage? This is scary. He's stealing my diamonds. No way, bro. Dude, I can deal with you. Oh, no, I don't like fighting the bridge as well, so I don't want to fight him in the bridge. I'm still dying to him, and I still lose so much HP. This is so bad, dude. I'm losing so much HP to this guy. Oh my god, if I foam the void like that, I'll rage quit. Yes, get out of my base, you loser. Okay, let's upgrade HP, guys. I'm pretty scared, guys. If I lose this, I'm ending the video. Where's my HP? Okay, there we go. I gotta break the sword and get iron armor. I'm so scared now, guys. Guys, comment if you think I'm gonna win, guys. And he has iron armor. Okay, I gotta get iron armor fast. Iron armor. Yes, sir! Got iron armor now. And he's lower HP. Whoa, no! He got this! What? He's literally 0 HP. No, guys, I'm not ending the video yet. Okay, guys, I'm not ending the video yet. Hold on. He just said easy, bro. That's not how you spell easy. Bro, I lost. I'm all to level 0 again, guys. I'm so sad right now, guys. I wish every time I kick. Like, I hate Team Red. I'm reporting him. Like, I don't like the barbarian users. The barbarian kid is, like, insanely annoying. You can literally get iron swords. This kind of stuff. I'm going to next match. Oh, man. I'm all back to level 0. And this guy is a Uzi, but a noob. Dude, the Uzi kid is so annoying. Because literally, like, the size of the Uzi sword is insanely big. And I don't like it. Guys, I'm auto-clicking. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I did that noise, but I'm emoting on him. Man, I'm so sad right now. Maybe the hammer's not good for this. I think I'll use the dagger back. I'll take that back. I'll take the dagger. Dagger. Oh, wait. What is these words just doing like a together, bro? They're dating. No, I'm just sad. Wait, they literally look like the same cracking. Look at this. If I keep breaking yours, I get more better stuff. So did you know about that? You can already get armor. There's go. Okay, he's level 7, but he looks like a pro, though. I don't believe him. Like, he looks like a pro. Like, I don't like pros. In this game, is trying me, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, dude. I am sweating This is stupid, bro. Why is my game like doing this? I'm rage quitting if this game keeps starting this. I am getting so mad at this game right now. Like, this game needs to chill, like, with this lag. Like I hate lagging. He just falls void. Oh my gosh. How did he just fall the void like that, my guy? Did he already got a telepro? Like, and I'm getting mad at this game right now, bro. If this game actually this game needs a seriously problem. Like, oh my god, how does he keep dying? He can't make from that jump. I'm not interested in this game again. Dude, this game is so need an Oscar, dude. You know what? I'm done with this game, bro. No, this game is trying to make me lose! Dude. And I'm dead because this game, I'm also very sweating. I'm sweating a lot. Oh my god, I hate sweaties. I'm literally sweating like crazy. Flame me, bro. Flame me. Finally, get away from my way. I'm gonna kill him right now. I'm actually so mad at him. Oh my god, I need to get his bed right now. I'm breaking this and put one more block. He's not over that. Player soul. He's fighting me. Dude, fight me! This runner. And of course, the Uzi sword is so big. Of course, I can't kill him because the Uzi sword is insane. I'm upgrading HP. Like I'm so done right now. I'm going rage mode. I'm going rage mode right now. I'm gonna go rage mode, guys. He's done. He's done for doing this. I'm going rage mode. I'm using my emote right in front of him, and I'm going rage mode. I'm going rage mode right now. Rage mode time. It's rage mode. No, he's getting my bed. He's getting my bed. Oh, no way he just did that. No way he just do that. No, no. Get away from my bed. This is the rage mode time. You keep trying to get my bed over there. Like, I'm getting your bed instead. I'm rage mode now. This is the rage mode time. I'm winning this. If I win this, the video ends, okay? Come fight, huh? Come fight. You're scared? What? How did he just fall? This guy's a noob, bro. I can already tell this guy's a noob. Like, what? How did he just fall in the void? Like, what is this guy doing? Like, okay, rage mode time. See ya. And this game is sweating my hands. Oh my god, this is sweating my hands like crazy. This sweats my hand like so much. And you're dead. Ooh, yes sir. Dead! And you're dead! Dead! He's running! He's running! He's going for my bed, I think. He is so... Okay. Okay, you can want to run like that, huh? I'm getting my power. Go to base, and just now lay in my bed. Or may he got my bed. You died, buddy! You died! I told you this kid is too OP, guys. If you like the video, let me know in the pinned comments below. And hug dudes! Bye-bye.